welcome to my channel. I'm Lisa. So coming on here really quick, this message just keeps coming at me, so I'm like, let me just share this really quick. And it's about when you're feeling sensitive and you're taking things personally. So as empaths or highly sensitive people, we can tend to take things personally when really it has nothing to do with us. I'm talking about any situation where maybe somebody is triggering you, or maybe somebody was rude to you at the store, or even driving, somebody cut you off, or maybe there's an event or a party or something and you weren't invited. It's not personal. So this mantra that has come to me, I actually have caught myself, prevented myself really from getting upset in certain situations, because it's not about you. It really isn't. When somebody is having a reaction towards you or they're triggered, it's really about them and something from their shadow self that needs to be worked out. There's a book that you can read called The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz, and one of the 4 principles in life that he teaches is to take nothing personal. When you live this way, especially as an empath, I swear life gets a lot easier, because it's really not. So the mantra for you I'm delivering to you today is, when you're in a situation and you're about to get upset and you're about to take it personal, you say to yourself, this is not personal, I send only love. This is not personal, I send only love. Say this in your mind 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I swear it works. It will allow you to take a step back and realize this is not about me, this is about them, and everything really is okay. Take nothing personal and life will get easier and smoother. We're all on our own journeys. We each have a unique journey and unique lessons that we're learning along the way, and it really isn't personal. Nothing is personal, right? We're all doing the best we can, and when you say this mantra, it's going to prevent you from getting upset and really allow you to have a better day and understand that this person or this situation is the way it is for a purpose. There's a bigger picture happening that we can't always see. So I hope you will take this mantra when you feel upset or you're about to take something personal. Say this mantra, this is not personal, I send only love. Send only love to the person or the situation that has triggered you or maybe upset you, and I swear it will snap you out of it and allow you to come back to a place of peace with yourself and a place of love for the other person or for the situation. So I hope this serves you well today, and I hope you have a beautiful day. I look forward to practicing with you here on my channel. Please click subscribe, and I'll meet you right back here. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.